Hi, I'm Yolo Queen Bee, and welcome to Yolo Queen Bee Tarot. So I'm doing a reading for Cancer for December 2021. Yay, it's almost the end. Anybody have a birthday this month? I am Ophiuchus, or Ophiuchus. You know, there are actually over 13 zodiacs, and Ophiuchus has knowledge of all the 12, have all the knowledge of all the 12 signs in their sign. So, but for now, you can still consider me a Sagittarius baby. All right. So, for Cancer, what's going on with Cancer? A lot of water signs been showing up. Cancer, collective. Oh, someone's emotions involved, Cancer. Soul child. I got Pandora playing. I hear messages there as well. Is it too loud, maybe? All right. Cancer, Tower moment. Eight of Swords. Four Cups. Nine of Wands. Seven of Pentacles. And the Knight of Swords. Tower moment. Tower moment. That means that when things come crashing down because they're built on faulty foundations, you know, or sometimes people get enlightened about the truth and they have a tower moment. When you mind starts getting out of the matrix, your just mind is blowing by how much illusions and bullshit that they have created for us in the matrix. Even your own programming that you received from your own parents. It's leaving this person in their head. Right? Sword energy. Gemini, Pisces, Scorpio. Are you dealing with anybody? Well, that's you, Cancer, right? Are you dealing with anybody? Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius, air signs. Someone blow your mind. Tower moment. That's left you in Four Cups energy. You know, you're focused on what is lost instead of what the divine is trying to hand you here. You know, you're looking at the cups that have spilled instead of the one that's in front of you or trying to be offered. And you're self-resilient. You've battled all these battles. So you know that you're dependent on yourself. But you're the wounded warrior. You're tired. You've been working hard at a skill. Focus on your making money, your craft. And the Knight of Swords, this is motion. You know, the swords, the knights are about coming and going energy. So there's some kind of fast-moving action, truthful, coming towards you. Maybe about a truth with some assertiveness there. All right. Let's see. What's this tower for Cancer? What's this tower for Cancer? The High Priestess. This is someone who is highly intuitive. She is aware of mysteries and the secrets of the universe. And this is also a secret card. So maybe there was a secret that was revealed and caused a tower moment. You know, one lie can destroy a whole person's thoughts, thinkings, and lifestyle. That's for sure. Clarify this High Priestess in the Tower card. The Wheel of Fortune 10. That means it's the ending. So maybe this tower was an ending to a cycle, but a 10 also is an ending, which reduces to a 1, a beginning. So maybe this tower moment has been caused to end the cycle. And also it could be an ending of the Wheel of Fortune, meaning ending to somebody's fortune and the beginning in a new one. or that was the end of a, you know, some people have, let's say, good runs on making money, maybe 10, you know, 2 to 12 years of making movie. Maybe that's the end of their cycle for making money a certain way as well. Clarify this Wheel of Fortune. Why is it here? Someone's indecisive. Someone's defensive. What's a defensive? Two of Swords. Clarify Two of Swords. Why are they defensive? The Hierophant. Maybe somebody's aware that between the Hierophant, the High Priestess and the Hierophant. The Hierophant could be someone that people look for counsel, wisdom, and knowledge. This could be court. This could be clergy. This could be a Taurus, a teacher as well. So maybe there is an ending. Someone is using their intuition, or maybe that's part of the Tower moment. They need to be using their intuition to make a choice for the future. Why are they in their head? What's this Eight of Swords about? Conflict. What's the conflict? Clarify the Five of Swords. 5 is transition. Clarify the 5. What has to happen with this 5 of Swords? And so the Magician is a manifestation card. So that means that someone has, the Magician has all the aspects from everyone in the deck. They're able to manifest this. Page of Pentacles, they're trying to manifest a new beginning in money. So this could be young money, a new endeavor in money. Or someone could be bringing a new message about an endeavor in making some money. This could even be a young person, a young earth sign, Virgo, Capricorn, Taurus, who's bringing in an opportunity of money. What are they working hard at? What's their skill? Queen of Cups. Maybe someone's working hard on their skill to work on a foundation to head towards the Queen of Cups. Clarify this Queen of Cups. She kind of looks mad. What's going on with this Queen of Cups? She's staring right at the Queen of Wands. So the Queen of Cups, or the Queen of Wands, who's sitting in the position of power? The ones who's looking at you straight ahead, not the one who's trying to give you the side eye, right? The Queen of Wands is sitting in her throne. She's been through a lot. She knows a lot of stuff, and she's chill. She's like, come tell me your story. I'm willing to hear your bullshit. You know, she likes to be told some good stories once in a while. The Knight of Wands, and maybe the Knight of Wands is this queen coming in her Knight of energy to spill some tea to this queen. Clarify this Knight of Wands, Knight of Swords. Oops, sorry, Knight of Swords. Oh, yeah? The Knight of Swords is coming in fast to give some victory to this Queen of Swords. And like I said, swords are about truth. Messages of truth. So there's some truth coming that's going to cause victory. What's the victory? What's the victory for Cancer? Thank you. Is a Knight of Coins. That means money. Someone who's going to be abundant and independent and be okay with their finances. So it looks like after all this Tower moment and stuff, which has to happen, Cancer, there has to be an ending for a transition. Or maybe the way you make money, there's an ending to an old way and you have to transition to a new way. But it's going to be lucrative. There you go, Cancer. I heard that. Let's get you an oracle card. I'm using the Gaia Oracle deck by Toni, Carmine, Salerno. Getting hungry. 111 on the clock when I just looked up. All right, Cancer. Manifesting something great. This one. Enchanted Forest. 27, which is a 9. 9 is like towards the end of a cycle, which is, you're there. Maybe that's what that tower moment's for. 27. Enchanted Forest. 1 minute life seems rather mundane and boring. Then all of a sudden someone or something sweeps into your world like a breath of fresh air. All of a sudden you feel as though you are on a magical mystery tour with a renewed sense of passion and excitement for life. And it doesn't matter that you have no real idea where this is all leading you. In fact, not knowing only creates more excitement. Life is now full of romance and seemingly endless creative possibilities. Embrace all that comes your way. Enjoy the journey and don't be in a hurry to settle things down or draw conclusions. Allow things to unfold in their own way and time. What unravels will bring you lasting joy and a deep sense of fulfillment. There you go. Happy endings affirmation. I am open to new ideas and adventures. Life is full of endless creative possibilities. I embrace each opportunity that comes my way. I love the magic and mystery of life. I trust my heart. I believe in love. How about that? That was beautiful. All right, Cancer. Thank you for joining me. I'm Yola Queen Bee. And remember, you only live once, and I love you. Namaste.